Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add permission profiles on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on DocuSign.com and then select settings. Now scroll down, on your left side select permission profiles. Now on your top right corner select this button right here called add permission profile. Now you need to enter here the name. You need to take these boxes if you want to give them permissions. After that select this template options that they have given to you. Now scroll down again and again select these boxes so that you can allow these options. After that scroll down, now select the address book options. Now you need to select this option again, and after filling up all of these details that you have seen till now, you need to select on this add button. And that's how you guys can successfully add a permission profile on DocuSign. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.